Hi, this is Christine Kenyon with Alpha Omega Soaps, and today I'm going to make a soap for some friends, and I'm going to use a new fragrance oil. Well, it's actually an essential oil, fragrance oil blend from Wholesale Supplies Plus called Sweet Bay Rose. So see how that, it's supposed to not cause any acceleration or discoloration and all that stuff. So I read the reviews and it sounds really good. The other thing I'm going to do is color it with some cobalt blue, matte oxide cobalt blue. That's going to be the base. And so I have that mixed together here in some glycerin all ready to go. And then, oh, and I bought these bottles on Amazon to have colors ready mixed, and I'm going to label them and add them to glycerin. So, and then I'm going to also use titanium dioxide. This is water soluble. What I suggest, if you have problems with specks and stuff and clumps of titanium dioxide in your color, then heat the water and the titanium dioxide will just dissolve so quickly and easily into it. And the other color I'm going to use is Gold Coast Mica. I have it in this container. I'm going to switch it to one of those bottles. This is from Wholesale Supplies Plus. This is in glycerin and olive oil. I love this stuff. I'm not going to use much of it. It's just going to be for accent. And I have my oils in here. About, let me see, 30% of this is tallow, and then the rest are soft oils plus coconut oil. And then I've got some soft oils like canola, sunflower, and castor. So then I've got my lye water, which I put in an ice bath because I want to do cold soaping. I'm not doing a lot of swirling, but I'm going to do white and gold into the blue. And the swirling I'm going to do is a hanger swirl. So I took a hanger and bent it down to what I want. And this is the 10-inch mold I'm using. Then I also have, this is my almond milk that I'm going to add. I discounted some of the water I'm using, replacing it with almond milk. And this also has the fragrance oil, essential oil and fragrance oil blend. And then it's also got kale and clay. That's supposed to anchor the scent. Some people say, I heard someone say that cornstarch does the same thing. So for those who don't want to use kale and clay. And I've got also 1 tablespoon of sugar to add to the bubbles. So I'm going to add the lye first, ready to go. I have the lye waters like this because I added 1 tablespoon of sea salt. I add sea salt to the lye to harden the bar. I used to do sodium lactate, but I've switched to sea salt. And I still occasionally I use sodium lactate for swirls, to harden the bar, but also it's good for swirling. So, but I'm not doing too much swirling, so I'm not too concerned. I'm hoping this won't seize up on me, that it'll behave just fine. So here we go. Some people add the milks or whatever straight to the lye. I don't do that. I also I didn't melt this, I beat the tallow and that was the only hard one, in with the oil so it's all homogeneous and ready to go. So okay, so now I'm going to add the almond milk with the fragrance oil and so on. Okay, I don't want to mix it too much with the beater, the stick blender, because I do want to be able to do the hanger swirl and not be dealing with pudding. So far so good. So I'm going to separate some of this out for the white and for the gold, just a little bit of gold. So first I'm going to, I put this masking tape here so that I know where to center the bowl, where the camera is looking. So, because I found myself going outside of the outside of where I'm supposed to be. I hope that's not too much. Okay, so now I'm going to do the titanium dioxide. Shake it a little, make sure it's mixed. I want this really white, so hopefully that won't happen again. So here's some gold. I use this gold also to sprinkle on the soap. I don't think I'm going to do it to this one, but as a glitter or as a topping, it's just gorgeous. So now I'm going to pour the soap in. It's a beautiful blue. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to do a layer of blue, and then pour some of the white. So I'm going to do the swirl like an 8 from side to side, up and down, gradually coming up. And then I'm going to do it up and down like an 8. I always have make more than I need so that I can have samples to give out. I'm going to add some drops of color also. So there you have it. There's my, what is it called? Sweet Bay Rose soap with a blue background and accents of white and gold. So I'll cut this, I'll show you the cut later. Thanks for watching. God bless. Don't go away.